Welcome to Scrum. Alex and his team have just discovered Scrum, a lightweight agile framework that helps teams deliver value in small, manageable chunks. To rebuild how they worked, Alex introduced the team to the foundation of Scrum, 3 pillars that would shape every decision and interaction moving forward: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Transparency started with something simple: visibility. No more hidden documents or confusing task lists. With the Scrum board now updated daily, all of the team could finally see exactly what was being worked on, what was blocked, and what had been done. With visibility came the power to inspect. Every week, during the sprint review, the team looked back at what they had accomplished. They listened to customer feedback on new app features and used it to spot gaps before they became problems. When things didn't go as planned, and they often didn't, the team adapted. After one particularly rocky release, a member of the team suggested simplifying the logging flow. They adjusted the backlog on the spot, and the next sprint delivered better results. These pillars needed strong values behind them. Alex introduced the team to the 5 Scrum values: courage, focus, commitment, respect, and openness. These weren't just words, they became daily practices. A team member showed courage when he raised a concern about technical debt during a planning session. It sparked a tough but necessary conversation that helped the team refactor crucial parts of the codebase. Focus came into play when the team committed to one clear sprint goal: a working prototype of the app's onboarding feature. With distractions minimized, they delivered it faster and with fewer bugs. Commitment wasn't about working overtime. It was about showing up, staying engaged, and supporting one another. When the team committed to a goal, they did everything reasonable to achieve it together. During retrospectives, everyone had a voice. Team members shared how unclear user stories made them second-guess their work. Instead of criticism, the team listened. They agreed to write clearer acceptance criteria going forward. Weeks passed and Alex noticed a shift. With the pillars in place and the values driving the culture, the team wasn't just building a mobile app anymore. They were building trust, rhythm, and resilience.